Let's look at the easy white hat level. Your job, young human, is to prevent malicious packets from reaching the blue servers and destroying this world grid. Place routers and then configure them to filter out malicious packets and send these packets out of this world. In order to filter out malicious packets, you must place a router to send the packets out of this world. This shows you how many routers you have. You only have 2 routers. Be careful where you place the routers since there are many routes to the blue servers. You can get a router here. Configure them by telling them the color, size, and shape of packets to filter. Let's see what kind of packets we can filter out through a router. Pink, green, blue, cube, cone, sphere, small, medium, large. Be careful, you can only configure them by changing the filtering rules a total of 4 times. If you click on a packet, its properties will display here. Let's start the wave and see how this all works. There are 3 waves in total. Here, a malicious packet is highlighted with a red circle. If this packet reaches a blue server, it will harm it. Let's place a router to filter out any incoming packets. Now, it is your job to identify the best place to put your routers and filter out malicious packets.